Hey YouTubers, Ron here. We're going to go over some GPS issues customers have been having. We have here the EW1 tracker and the Letsfit app opened. So make sure you have your Bluetooth enabled and also your GPS enabled. When you have your watch, the little green icon on the top left, that shows you that the watch and the app are connected to each other. If you don't have that connected, simply make sure that they're connected and swipe down on the app, and it'll try to synchronize with the watch. This will update the data in the app as well. So once you have that done, swipe to the left, go to training, and we're going to pick out an outdoor activity. Here it's going to try to use your phone's GPS. You're going to get a message also on your app saying that it's using your GPS. And if you're already outdoors, simply do your exercise and you're good to go. If you stop the exercise before the 3-minute mark, for example, you're going to get this message. Exercise is too short to be recorded. And if you press OK, it'll just exit out and it won't record your exercise. So 3 minutes is the minimum amount of time you need to spend exercising. Also, when you start your GPS run, for example, turn it on inside your house, turn on the GPS of your phone inside your house, and then simply walk outside into an open area and let the GPS like triangulate you. Like just wait a little bit and then start the activity. That way, once you're in an open area, the satellite's signals can reach your phone. Like if you start the exercise inside, you're gonna have concrete or walls blocking the signal, so it might not be accurate. And that's why, like, when you see on your map, it'll show you someplace else, because maybe 2 of the signals reached you, maybe the 3rd one didn't, and it thinks you're somewhere else. So keep that in mind when you're doing exercises that use GPS. You can always skip using the GPS function, and it's an option that's on the watch as well when you start the exercise. If you're around skyscrapers or you live in the city, the skyscrapers will interfere with your exercise, unfortunately, because again, the satellite's signal is coming from space, so a big building will block it. So just keep that in mind if you're having issues with the GPS. If you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me and I will get back to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.